Architecture design of embedded system. The specifications does not say how the system does things, only what the system does. Describing how the system implements those functions is the purpose of architecture. The architecture is a plan for the overall structure of the system that will be used later to design the components that make up the architecture. The creation of architecture is the first phase of what many designers think of as a design. To understand what an architecture description is, let's look an example of a moving map. This block diagram is quite abstract. The diagram describes how to implement the functions described in the specification. We clearly see that we need to search the topographic database and to render the results for the display. We have chosen to separate those functions so that we can potentially do them parallelly. Performing the rendering separately from searching the database may help us to update the screen more fluidly. To ensure that the architecture meets all specifications, the initial system architecture can be divided into both hardware architecture and software architecture, which clearly defines the hardware and software functional requirements of the given system. This is the hardware block diagram of our moving map example. The hardware block diagram clearly shows that we have one central CPU surrounded by memory and input-output devices. In particular, we have chosen to use two memories, a frame buffer for the pixels to be displayed and a separate program or data memory for general use by the CPU. Next is a diagram of software architecture. The software block diagram fairly closely follows the system block diagram, but we have added a timer to control what we read the buttons on the user interface and to render the data on the screen. Starting out with a system architecture and refining that to hardware and software architecture helps us to meet all specifications that are previously recorded, the functional requirements, the non-functional requirements, and all the data. Thank you.